एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्रेयरफ्लाई। आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग ग्रेट। सो आज इस वीडियो में बहुत ही खास बात करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि इसके रिलेटेड मुझे बहुत सारे मैसेजेस भी आ रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे, कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं मेरे सारे वीडियोस पे दैट व्हाई इंडिगो इज नॉट हायरिंग फॉर द ग्राउंड स्टाफ। सो गाइज, इंडिगो जो हायरिंग कर रही है, बहुत सारी हायरिंग कर रही है, ठीक है। अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट में हायरिंग चल रही है। हायरिंग उनकी स्टॉप हुई नहीं है, बट अभी सिर्फ वॉक इन वाली बंद हुई है जो कि वो वेबसाइट पे लिख देते थे एंड एनी वन कैन गो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन। फ्रॉम एनी लोकेशन यू कैन गो फॉर दैट, like mention venues whatever they used to mention on their website, like yeah, you have to come on this location at this time. So they stopped doing that. Instead of this, they started hiring through the online assessment only. So the only option for the ground staff is online assessment, guys. So if you want to apply for Indigo airline, you have to apply through the online, through their website. You have to first clear the assessment. If you people clear the assessment, then only you will get the venue to go for the walk-in interview. Otherwise you are not allowed to go for any kind of interviews. Even if any of your friends will help you with the venue, with the location, you are not allowed to go give the interviews, ठीक है। So even if you have a friends who is getting invitation after the assessment and you are not getting it, you are not eligible to go for the interview because there's a very strict checking, there's a strict kinds of rules and regulations which we have to follow. We have to follow the protocols. So you have to go through the first the online process application, then the online assessment process, then you have to wait for the venue, and then only you can go for the venue. So this is the scenario going on in Indigo airline for the ground staff department only. Like it is only for ground staff. You have to understand the backstory of Indigo's, like why they are doing this. As we all know, Indigo is facing a lot of crisis also, but yeah, it has nothing to do with us. इट इज लाइक इसका कोई इससे ताल्लुकात नहीं है हायरिंग से लेके। यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट। दिस इज नॉट द रीजन बिकॉज इंडिगो के ऊपर ये वाली चीजें बहुत पहले से थी एंड दे वर वेरी वेल अवेयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ऑल दिस सिनेरियोज व्हाट एवर इज गोइंग ऑन विद दैम। बट या, they stopped the hiring like mid of the November, or I will say that September, something like that, in 2025 only. So yeah, in 2025 they stopped the hiring and they're only hiring through the online assessment only. So you have to do a lot of hard work to clear the assessment. Why they are doing this and when they will start the walk-in interview? Okay, so first I'm going to answer you for the why they are doing this. Because Indigo is the only domestic airline who is hiring pan India, and people are like crowding a lot wherever they are conducting the interviews. Like for example, I will just give you one example of Delhi location. उनको पुलिस वगैरह बुलानी पड़ गई थी cause huge gathering जिस होटल के लिए उन्होंने बुकिंग करी थी ना, the hotel was full of crowd. Like lot of people, around thousands of candidates are coming to give the interviews for Indigo airline only. People are also not caring that whether they are eligible or not or something like that. They heard there's an interview and they are going with the resume, they are going with the good uniform and something like that. And that is why they Indigo started facing a lot of huge crowd crisis kind of things, and they like it was not manageable at all. Like I have seen it with my own eyes also. So it is not manageable, and that is why they stopped this. Because चाहे वो इंटरव्यू चंडीगढ़ में रख दे या पटना में रख दे, crowds are crowds. People are traveling from one place to another just to give the Indigo interview for the ground staff, whether it is for like security or customer service executive, whatever the job role they they are posting on their website. People are like getting crazy to give the interviews for Indigo airline, and that is why they stopped this. Because the huge crowd management is not a cup of tea. Because I have seen a lot of guards are there and it's unmanageable. That is why they started rejecting people dharadhar karke. And yeah, thousands of people are going, or only 10 people are getting selected. And this is also happening with crew also, in the crew interview also. But I am giving the example of ground staff only. Okay? So these things happening a lot and happened a lot, and that is why Indigo stopped this. But now I will say that when they will start hiring again. But as of now, they will only call you through the mail, not call. Like they will invite you through the mail, like you have cleared the assessment, this is the venue, this is the time, you have to come for the interview. And do not miss this opportunity, because you don't know that when they are going to invite you again for the particular position. Because one time invitation, and if you are rejecting it, you are gone. Because they are not inviting again people. Like it's very rare that they are inviting you again and again. Give your assessment best, अच्छे से दूसरी तीसरी आईडी से ट्राई करो, मेल पाओ और असेसमेंट दो. इतने सारे वीडियोस मेरे चैनल पर अपलोडेड अपडेटेड है, असेसमेंट क्वेश्चंस, असेसमेंट के बाद क्या क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं इंटरव्यू जब जाओगे, तो एवरीथिंग इज ऑन माय चैनल। आई बटन पे भी मैं दे दूंगी। आई होप लाइक दीज थिंग्स विल हेल्प यू अलॉट। प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर दिस video if you want to share this update to any of your friends, your family, your partner, and whoever you knew that they really want to go for Indigo ground staff or something like that. Please do share this to them also. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Please subscribe my channel.